Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Sindh University campus, Ladkana. Hi, I am Kalimullah Qazi, student of final year, Department of Computer Science. My roll number is 2K17 LCS 22, failure 5th semester. Today I am here to present my presentation on operation research. Overview: what is operation research? Linear programming, graphical method, background, history of operation research, applications of operation research, quantitative techniques of operation research. Operation research is an analytical method of problem solving and decision making that is useful in the management of organizations. In operation research, problems are broken down into basic components and then solved in defined steps by mathematical analysis. The process of operation research can be broadly broken down into the following steps: identify a problem that needs to be solved, constructing a model around the problem that resembles the real world and variables, using the model to drive solution to the problem, testing each solution on the model and analyzing its success, implementing the solution to the actual problem. Disciplines that are similar to or overlap with operation research include statistical analysis, management science, game theory, optimization theory, artificial intelligence, and network analysis. All of these techniques have the goal of solving complex problems and improving quantitative decisions. The concept of operation research arose during World War II by military planners after the war. The techniques used in their operation research were applied to addressing problems in business, the government, and society. Linear programming: sometimes one seeks to optimize, minimize, or maximize a known function, could be profit or loss, or any output, subject to a set of linear constraints on the function. Linear programming problems (LPP) provides the method of finding such an optimized function along with all the values which would optimize the required function accordingly. It's one of the most important operation research tool. It's widely used as a decision making aid in almost all industries. There can be various fields of application or LPP in the areas of economics, computer science, mathematics, etc. Science, since it is a very important topic with numerous practical application. We will process slowly in building up this topic and making it very clear to you. So let's begin. The graphical method. We will first discuss the steps of the algorithm. Number one, for formate formulate the LP linear programming problem. We have already understood the mathematical formulation of an LP problem in a previous section. Note that this is the most critical step as all the subsequent steps depend on our analysis here. Step 2, construct a graph and plot the constraint line. The graph must be constrained in n dimension where n is the number of decision variable. This should give you an idea about n complexity of this step. If the number of decision variable increased, one must know that one cannot imagine more than three dimensions anyway. The constraint lines can be constrained by joining the horizontal and vertical intercepts found from each constraint equation. Number 3, determine the valid side of each constraint line. This is used to determine the domain of the available space, which can result in a feasible solution. How to check? A simple method is to put the coordinates of the origin 0 0 in the problem and determine whether the objective function takes on a physical solution or not. If yes, then the side of the constant line OP which the origin line lies is the valid side, otherwise it lies on the opposite one. Step number 4, identify the feasible solution region. The feasible solution region on the graph is the one which is satisfied by all the constraints. It could be viewed as the intersection of the valid region of such constraint line as well. Choosing any point in this area would result would result would result a valid solution for our objective function. Number 5 step, plot the objective function on the graph. It will clearly be a straight line since we are dealing with linear equation here. One must be sure to draw it differently from the constraint line to avoid confusion. Choose the constraint value in the equation of the objective function randomly just to make it clear distinguishable. Historical background of operation research. No science has been born on a single day. Operation research is not exception of it. Its roots is its roots are as old as science and society. Those are roots of operation research extended to early 18th century, but completely disclosed in 1885 when F.W. Taylor emphasized the application of scientific analysis to the method production After then, in 1940, FW Launchester used mathematical equation in the field of foreign, for forecasting outcomes of military battles. In 1970, AK in Erlang used queuing theory in the field of production of waiting time for callers using an automatic telephone exchange. In 1940, in 1924, W. Sheward used the theory of probability and statistical interface in case of production quality control charge. And in 1930s, H. C. Levinson used mathematical expression in the field of marketing relation. The name operation research was evolved in the year 1940 during Second World War. A term of scientist Blackett Circus in UK applied scientist method to study military operations to win the world war, and techniques thus developed by was named as operation research. Applications of operation research, or operation research is the problem solving and decision taking techniques. It is considering a kit of scientific and programmable rules which provides the management a quantitative basis for decision concerning the operation under its controls. Some areas of management where operation research techniques have been successfully utilized as follows. Number one, allocation and distribution in projects. Optimization allocation of resources such as men, materials, machines, time, and money to project. Determination and deployment of proper workforce. Project scheduling, monitoring and control, production and facilities planning. Factory size and location decision. Estimate of number of facilities required. Quantitative techniques of operation research. The article the article discusses the survey result from a study pertaining to the use of quantitative techniques in production and operation management. Over 60% of the respondents said they did not use quantitative techniques. Approximately 25 reported using only seven of the 19 techniques. A portion of the quantitative techniques are not considered to have high applicability in production and operation management. Among the techniques considered relevant to production and operation management are simulation, queuing theory, network analysis, and inventory models. Thank you.